Yeah, hi friends. So you must have faced one problem that you have upgraded to Windows 10, and or you might have in the past years you have upgraded to Windows 10, and some of your favorite programs, they are not even working using compatibility mode. So what to do? So this is all the problems that are facing, that how to open 16-bit program in 64-bit system. Beg your pardon, the spelling mistake. And then how to open very old software in latest Windows 10. Now remember, there are two three things. Now if your Windows, because in Windows 10 now there are very number of versions are there. Okay, so like if your Windows, and what is that, so if your window, you are using Windows 10 and uh, 2016 2015, or Windows 10 2016, and like this Windows 10 2019 onwards. So this way, so if you these are the year versions. So if you are using say 2016 or 2017 maybe, so then you'll need another app which I'll show in the comments box. But if you're using for Windows 2019, 18 or 2017, then you do not need it, because it's a Visual Studio extended release, and you don't need that. All you need is this particular thing. You need to click on this link that or you type it on your system, and the name of the software is Otaya 128 and Wine VDM. So once you do that, and I'll show you, this is it. Once you do that, you click on it, and this is the mobile version. So in mobile it will seem like this. Version 7.0 is the latest one, and if you go to the desktop site, then it will look something like this. So what you need to do, you need to click on version, and then you need to download this zip file. So when you click on this particular zip file, it will download you, and it is only 1.26. as you can see, this is only 1.26 MBs. So once you I don't need to download it on my Android, so I want to cancel download. So this is particularly the thing that you need to download. So download, now I'll switch over to the laptop, and I'll show you. I'll stop the video here and I'll go to laptop, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, and how to open your old software using that, and then I'll merge both the videos. Okay, bye bye. You can see I've downloaded that particular folder, and then I unzipped it. So using WinRAR or WinZip, you can unzip it, and this is how the path will look. You just need to give this path and open it. So OTVDM master 1056. Once you then open it, then only two files which are needed, and primarily actually you need only this file, OTVDMW. Okay, and once you click it, and this is only if you are using Windows 10 2017 onwards, and your .NET is updated to .NET 4.8. okay, so though it is not necessary that .NET is not needed, but I just wanted to give you some idea what it should how it should be. So what is going to happen is, it will open up this dialog box, and this dialog box will open up, and the software that I wanted to run was this ADHD. It's an American Heritage software. So what to do, you need to click on ADHD, folder, and then this is the setup file ADH03. So you click on it, and you'll get an error like this. You just need to click on OK, and here is your software. This software you can move it, but you cannot minimize it. You can see this is the difference. Rest it will work. So if we say thank you and you enter, you can see it is working. So this is how it works. I'll show you if without using this software, if I try to open it, what will happen. If I go to this ADHD directly, that's in my C, you can see the location. It's in this location, ADHD. So if I go to ADHD3, and you can see this icon, it's saying it will not be able to open it. So if you click on this, and it will say the app can't run on your PC. So this is how it works. It means even after compatibility mode, it was not opening this. But like if I did compatibility mode, if I click on this and troubleshoot compatibility, and it will first try to detect the issue, and after 1 or 2 minutes, it will say try recommended settings. And no matter what you do, I've tried all of them and it does not work. Fine. So what you need to do is, as I told you, this is basically I've created on my desktop this short dialog box, and then you can just give it the path of your software. Remember, you need to give it, for ease sake I've copied it to C, but you can give it whatever the path of your software is. And another thing that I wanted to show you is this VC registr.x86. This is basically Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable X6. If your Windows 10 version is before 2007, any version that is before 2007, and when you load OTVDM, and if it shows an error that it cannot open it, then you need to download this thing from this particular site, and you can just type in this thing and then you run it. Normally if it's 2017 or later, it will show that it is already exists on your system and you do not need it. And if you do not need it, then OTVDM will directly load. But if it is needed, then this is what you need to download and execute before executing OTVDM. So I'm expecting, because when you're trying to do software on yourself by yourself.
So, hi friends. This is all about it. I hope this helps, and keep watching our videos. As you know, our channel is a there are various topics, and but all the topics are indexed using folders and playlists, that is. So if you're particularly interested in technology, so or some technological hacks, so go to our whatever the required playlist is. If you like songs and cultural programs, then you can go there. And similarly for education and helpful videos and devotional songs, so all those playlists are there. So that will help you to navigate and be able to, just in case you do not want to see other things that are there in our channel, so you can do that. So I'll say have a great week ahead, because today is Monday, and hope this corona thing ends fast, and we are again come back to our normal. Bye bye.